Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Ecuador together. This is Yambamine Sidra from the Sosoranga region. The variety is Sidra and the fermentation is carbonic maceration. For more details on this competition series coffee, please visit our webpage. To get the best of Yambamine Sidra into your cup, we recommend this recipe. 400 grams of third wave water at 93 degrees in the kettle. Prepare 28 grams of coffee and grind it on click 21 of your Comandante. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms your V60. Now, add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. Now for the first pour. 80 grams of water over 7 seconds, circular pouring for the blooming phase to get all the coffee wet and to let the CO2 from the roast process escape. After 30 seconds, the second pour, 160 grams over 15 seconds in soft circular pouring to release all the fruity and sweet flavors of Yambamine Sidra. After 1 minute and 20 seconds, the last 160 grams over 15 seconds in circular pouring for a rich and balanced body. Swirl at 1 minute 50 for an even extraction. The total brew time is 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Cherry, honey, red apple, plum, cinnamon, sweetness of molasses, balanced with a beautiful acidity, wait in your cup. Enjoy!